Ready to learn about creating custom patterns in Adobe Illustrator? Begin by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. For this example, we'll use a square artboard. Now, select the rectangle tool and draw a square. Choose a fill color for your shape. This will be the foundation of your pattern. Enhance your shape's appearance by customizing its stroke. Experiment with different weights, colors, and styles. With your shape selected, go to Object, Pattern, and then Make. This will start creating your pattern. The Pattern Options panel opens, allowing you to customize the pattern. Start by experimenting with different tile types, like changing the arrangement. Look at how changing it affects the design. Now, adjust the spacing and offset between the tiles. Fine-tune the width and height to control the gaps. Play with offset and see how the staggering of the design changes. Double-click inside the pattern preview to directly edit the original shape. This lets you change the colors, size, and rotate the shape, watching the preview update instantly. When you're happy with your pattern, click the Done button to save it. The pattern is now stored in your swatches panel, accessible anytime. Now, you can apply your new pattern to any shape. Select the shape and click on the pattern in the swatches panel. And now you know how to create custom patterns. Use this new skill to advance your design projects. Subscribe for further design tutorials.